Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you one base website. You can make a free cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link in description. Click the link here, and the website is very easy. Just put your Faucet Pay wallet address in here. Okay, and click login. Okay, this all website tools to show you how it's work. Okay, and this much total claim of from this website. Okay, and just click put your wallet address, Faucet wallet address, Bitcoin. Okay, just click login and you can claim all this with the same. Okay, the first one, claim 8 Satoshi every 5 minutes. You can come here, click I'm not robot, and this is sponsored by some watching. You can watch some ads because I have ad block about that. I didn't want to watch. Just click claim now. I win 7 Satoshi. Okay, now you can watch videos and much more Satoshi. This is the all tools that you watch. Click the button, you will reach the page, another page, complete the description side, and just watch. Okay, click this button, and this too is not working for now because my internet is very slow, and I click another time. Okay, I allow all advertisement. Now it's okay. Reload again because I blocked my all advertisement. About that didn't show me advertisement and didn't come this page. Okay, okay, you will reach another page, complete task description on your purpose site, and then you should click the bonus adding to your video. Okay, show you the page, and don't use any VPN. I don't know how it's work. If I click, okay, this page is reload. This one it told me scroll down. Okay, after 10 seconds you will able to go. Just click next and wait 10 seconds and then continue. Okay, wait a second to continue button come up. Okay, this is all advertisement that a lot of people told you to watch. Okay, now come down again, click next, wait 10 seconds. Okay, yeah, this is like some rules to do this. I don't know what is this. Okay, slash show 3 cam. It's very easy. I don't know what is this. This will be complete. I'll complete what is this if this one is working. Okay, leave this page. You can earn with another way too. Just go to your account. This is my account balance. Okay, I show you my account balance. This much is my account balance. The minimum withdrawal is this much. Go to back Faucet, and you can complete task to earn 10 Satoshi. You can claim a bonus too. Just click bonus, daily bonus have too. Okay, click the button, pop-up apps, you can close it, you will reach it another page, solve the capture and get the link. Okay, click this one and this is the pop-up apps. I close it. Now come in this page, solve the capture. Okay, like that one tells you. Okay, then you can reach your wait a minute to capture cam. Okay, the capture is now be ready. Okay, fill the capture, come down and click here. Okay, and wait a minute for washing this hat and click get the link. Okay, now it's reloading. You can claim the bonus every 10 minutes. Okay, every 10 minutes you come here, you can claim this bonus. Okay, now you see I earn 6 Satoshi again, and every 5 minutes you come here, click this bonus. I have two bonus. The first one is no reloading, no nothing else, just in here. Okay, I can claim this one too. Okay, click confirm, come down, claim now. Okay, and now you can watch. I claim another free Satoshi from this site, and now you can claim daily bonus. This too or complete task. This is a very easy. You can make much more. You can participate in jackpot winner too. This is winners from jackpot. Okay, you can participate in this jackpot if you want, and you can refer your friends to this website. A lot of people come here and earn much more. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. This website link in description.